What's up everybody? How's it going? Me again, and I'm back. No, I'm not asking you Google what Caterpillar is. I want you to stop the music. Hey Google, stop the music. Oh gosh. Stop. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's play this game. Okay, what's up everybody? How's it going? Me again, Brack and Broke. Brack and Broke. It fucking broke. Okay, so I had my 6K recently, so you know what it means. Warranty. It's gone. So with that, I need to change something, right? I can do whatever I want with this bike. I mean, I can upgrade it with wiring and stuff. So yeah, what I did was I installed, myself and I installed this camera right here. That small camera. It also has one in the back, as you can see there. And when I went to Bristol on my 6K maintenance, I made them install these LED lights in front, because etong path kasi na to, wala siyang ilaw kapag gabi, so madilim, and a lot of people get injured because of some madulas na daan. Di nila alam madulas pala yun, or bigla may tumatawid na mga aso or pusa or any kind of things that you don't see at night if you only have this one. So I wanted to install an LED. This is very helpful. Here's an image of the before and after. I posted it before. And yeah, what's next? Ayun, binaba ko yung tawag dito, yung signal lights sa likod, tail light and the signal lights. Binaba ko siya from the seat part to the wala, tawag doon? Kapalodo. What we call the kapalodo sa English. What's next? Yeah, that's about it. That's about the changes that I've got. Yep, that's it. That's it for... That's it, yes. Yun pa lang. I still have more. I'm gonna upgrade my tire. Oh yeah, question. What were the issues on the first 6 days? So first issue was this one, the throttle knob. The stock was a bit soft. I don't know, malambot siya. Hindi siya katulad nung ibang select namin na matitigas. So what happened back then, I was in EDSA, in the middle of EDSA. It was dito, noon, around 12 PM hanggang 2 PM ako nabiyahe doon. So it was fun. And dito
Malina naman sa bitch. This is very low quality. For a big bike, this is a low quality. Low quality fuck. Here. Balik. Ay, nako. Ito, bali. Ito. Yung nakakabit sa ano, low quality yung ano nila eh. So, ano, paano to? So, ang ginawa ko, zip tie dun sa wire para pag ginilang ganun, you can add some gas, but yeah, I don't know. Gosh, Bristol, low quality. Happened twice to me already. I haven't managed to vlog the first one kasi sabi ko, maybe it's because of my driving. Maybe because it's my driving. But dude, there's nothing wrong with my driving. It's this. It's very low quality. To change that system. Okay, good luck to me. I will be able to work this thing through. God bless me. Yan, sa gitna ng daan, bigla na lang siyang poop. Kahit anong rev mo, hindi siya kumakagat. It happened to me before. Once. Kasi misaligned na to kasi nga nabali ko. Pero what they did sa Bristol, what they did was they changed it all. Pinalitan nila yung buong set. And then yeah, it happened again. So probably ibig sabihin nun is malambot talaga yung throttle knob, which corresponds dun sa review ni Master Zach sa Makina Moto na he doesn't like this one. It looks cheap, and not only looks cheap, it is. Come to think of it, motorcycle is cheap enough, so we have to compensate on some part or another. Because if you may ask, this motorcycle, yung Herald, yung parang kapatid niya sa ibang bansa, cost around 300,000, and we bought this for 200,000 lang dito sa Philippines. So yeah, you might say that we compensated from some parts or another. Diba? Have to do it, or else malulugi sila. But still, diba? That thing, at least heads up for all those buyers and owners already na it may come out anytime soon, so be prepared. Thank you. Next is, there's a leak right now, and one thing I found, there was may butas si makina. And then kumiyak na ako, bakit may butas to? Ano ba to? Ganyan. And then I called up Andrew about it and then said, okay lang pala yun. He was worried at first. He was worried kasi akala niya may butas talaga and then ganyan. Hey, look where you're going. And then they checked out other units and then they saw na ayun, meron din pala talagang butas. Meaning, it's normal. So if you guys found any hole dun sa makina dito sa part na to, sa my left side, small hole, it's normal. Don't panic. What else happened for the past 6 days? Oh yeah, the gas consumption is really tawag dito, consistent. It's around, kapag city driving, kapag city driving it costs around 25 kpl to 30. Pero kapag kunyari ganito and then maluwag or expressways, it would cost you around 35 kpl. Depende ba? Depende. Performance wala talaga ako masabi. It's good. Sometimes medyo palpak ako sa acceleration kasi I don't shift it properly. But yeah, it's all good. Top speed na nakaya ko, it's around 150, I guess. Ewan ko, I haven't tried din talagang matagal tapos binirit na binabad na kasi I haven't gone to a road safe enough to do that, diba? Because, you know, safety first. That's about it. And I would also recommend dun sa mga buyers na get the classic one, not this bar and type one, ay yung clip-on type. Kasi I just realized na you can always change the bars. You know what I'm saying? So it's an riser type of bar, diba? Kaya gumit na, you can always change the bar. So meron siyang riser, naka-riser type siya, and you always change that bar into a type na naka-drop, like a Harley Davidson something. So yeah, because kapag clip-on siya, you have no other options. It's only clip-on. That's it. Pero if you have bar, you can always have other choices.
Well, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the question box. No, I mean comment box. And if you have any suggestions on what to add up in my next video, just put it there. I might try that crazy idea of yours. And till next time, it's me again, Biker and Bro, with the Adventures of Alexandria. Ciao!